Good morning day class. Ako dahil substitute teacher ninyo kay si Sir Blantoy Kilantan pa. Ako dahil si Sir Lloyd.
Good morning, Sir Lloyd.
Please sit down. Sige class, mag-attendance sa ta. Rest, writing on the board.
Wow.
Sige, mag-attendance sa ta. Johan Kapuli.
Present, sir.
Darren Kapuli.
Present, sir.
Our lesson for today is English. Who is the father of modern philosophy?
Ako.
Sige, Johan.
Ang answer, sir, kay Rene Descartes.
Very good. Last 10.
Wow.
What is the past tense of bioflow? Sige, ikaw Darren.
Ang answer, sir, bioflying.
Very good. Last 10. Next subject.
Usa sir.
Science.
Sige.
What is the biggest planet in our solar system?
Ako, sir.
Sige, Johan.
Ang answer, sir, sun.
You got it? Wrong. Ikaw Darren, answer mo answer.
Ang answer na ko, sir, kay Pluto.
Nga naman.
Tungod sa kata ko, sir, nimuto na lang.
Wrong gyapon niya. Imong answer. Ang tinod answer, Jupiter. Sumara tatong lesson. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Sir Lloyd.